Good morning, everyone. Class 11th B1, Subject Biology, Chapter 19, Excretory Product and their eliminations. Let's begin. Human excretory system. Excretory system of human consists of two kidneys, two ureters, a urinary bladders, and a urethra. Next, kidney. Kidney are reddish to kidney are reddish brown bean shaped structures situated between last thoracic and lumbar vertebrae. Each kidney has a notch on its inner side called hilum, through which ureter, blood vessels, and nerve enter. Next, medulla. Inside the hilum, inside the hilum has broad funnel-shaped space called renal pelvis with projections called calyces. देखिए रेड कलर का मेडुलर pyramids, calyx, renal artery, renal veins, renal pelvis, and ureter, ureter cortex, renal capsules, and renal column. Inside the kidney, two zones, outer cortex and inner medulla. Medulla, inner base, red zones, the called medulla. Ureter entering through the hilus expand to form a wide funnel-shaped structure called pelvis, and renal pyramids are present. 4 to 14 pyramid-shaped structure set to renal pyramids are present, and papilla. The narrow apex of each pyramid is called papilla, and calyx. Calyx fitted. Papilla is fitted into a small tube-like structure. It is called calyx minor and major calyx. Bertini, yani narrow column. Cortex extend between medullary pyramids as renal column called columns of Bertini. Any renal columns is present the outside of kidney immediately covered by thin layers of fibrous tissues known as capsule. The functional unit of kidney nephron. Kidney contain about 1 million nephrons. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubules. Glomerulus and renal tubules. Glomerulus is stuffed of capillary form. Afferent arterially blood from glomerulus is carried away by different artery and renal tubes start with Bowman's capsule, continue with tubular parts divided into proximal convoluted tubules, Henle's loops, and distal convoluted tubules. The Malpighian's tube DCT, nerve nephron situated cortical regions, loop sends into medulla. This is the figure of loop panel, external urinary space, Space between the two layers of capsule continuous with the lumen, the renal tubules, main functions of the capsule, renals, procedures and ultrafiltrations. Loops of Henle begins direct continuations of a pars recta. First descending limbs, a loop, thick ascending limbs. Next, proximal convoluted renal corpuscles, filtrations and filter substance, all solid present in blood, exceptions protein controlled by autoregulations and angiotensins, arterial nitric peptide sympathetic situations. Proximal controvolter tubules. Water 60% osmosis, 60% sodium and glucose 100%, amino acid 100%, secretions into urine of and creatine small amount and reabsorptions into blood of filtered proximal convoluted tubules में होता है. Then distal convoluted reabsorption into blood of water, sodium and chlorine. And principal cells collecting duct reabsorptions into blood of variable amount of depend H plus ion secretions, urea variable, recycling to loop of Henle and secretion into urine of H plus ion. Hemostatics, acid and base hemostatics. Next, loop of Henle's reabsorptions into blood of secretion into urine of variable, recycling from collecting duct at end of loop of Henle. Tubular fluid is hypotonic. Thank you class.